In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a portfolio to your Fiverr gig. This is an essential element for showcasing your skills and work to potential clients, as having a well-displayed portfolio can significantly enhance your credibility and help you stand out in the competitive marketplace of Fiverr. First, begin by heading over to the Fiverr website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for your profile icon, generally located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Click on that to navigate to your profile page. The profile section is where all your gigs, reviews, and personal information are housed on Fiverr. It's a hub that allows potential clients to get to know you better, making it an ideal place to showcase your best work through a portfolio. On your profile page, you'll want to find the option that lets you add a project. There should be a button or link that says Add a Project. This feature is specifically designed to allow freelancers like you to highlight individual works or collections that exemplify your skills. Click on it to proceed. Next, you'll need to create a name for your project. This is your chance to grab attention, so choose a title that is both descriptive and engaging. Once you've settled on the perfect name, type it into the provided field. Now you will see an option related to the industry. Click on this to open a drop-down menu. Selecting an industry helps categorize your work, making it easier for clients searching within specific fields to find you. Pick the industry that most accurately represents the type of work you do. Following the industry, you'll come to the project duration. Click on this option and select the duration that best fits your project timeline. Whether your project took a few days or several months, this detail provides context around the scope and scale of your work. After duration, you'll need to focus on describing your project in detail. Click into the project description area and type in a comprehensive summary or description of your project. This should include what the project entailed, the skills used, and any noteworthy details. Remember, the clearer and more informative your description, the more a potential client can understand and appreciate your work. Once everything is filled out to your satisfaction, click the Continue button. You're almost done. Lastly, ensure you add any final details, such as selecting a project category that aligns with your work. Once you've double-checked all the information, click on the option to publish your project. With your project published, your portfolio will be displayed on your Fiverr profile for all to see. This valuable addition can indeed enhance your gig by showcasing your expertise and attracting more clients. Keep your portfolio up to date and consider it as a powerful marketing tool in your freelancing arsenal.